I want to talk about songs today. Songs are the main reason we started learning guitar. That romantic image of pulling out your acoustic guitar and playing a few songs for anyone who wants to listen. And as the years pass, we can pick up many songs. Now, my tip for you today is to write them all down. And we're going to put them in 3 lists, which I'll tell you about in just a minute. When you start learning a song, you put in a lot of effort for it, and then there's that shiny new penny syndrome, like, oh, there's another song and there's another song, and that first song that you spent a lot of time with can quickly fade away and you never play it again. They're gone. And those songs, they deserve better. So write a list of your absolute favourite songs first. Now this is list A. It's the songs that you enjoy, the songs that whenever you play them you feel great, preferably the songs that maybe you've memorised, you've done them that many times because you know them. And in list A, that is your golden list. If someone were to say to you, play me a song right now, you go to your list A. In list B is the songs that you've never finished. Maybe these songs will work up to list A, but they need revisiting right now. That could be a song that you've tried and it just didn't quite make it, or maybe you got to that shiny new penny thing and thought, oh, I'll learn another song. But that's in list B, songs that you've played that little bit more. And finally, in list C are the songs that you're learning right now, the current songs that are on your radar. Also, songs that when you started to play them, you were like, there's no way I can do this. It's too difficult for me right now. Now, the idea is you practice, this is your repertoire. You can still do a lot of list C, you're still learning your new songs, but just spend 10 to 20% of your practice doing your list A, maybe pulling a song out from your list B to make it into list A. But those songs, because you put all that effort into them in the beginning, don't let them slip through the cracks unless you really don't like them and they're really not for you. And getting more songs into list A is the goal. Give it a try, write those songs down, have it in the front of your music folder. Keep on playing.